Hi friends, welcome to a brand new vlog of Judo's Dhamaka. This is your host and those Judo.
I have watched the movie Inspector Jende that's streaming right now on Netflix, based on true incidents on the life of Inspector Jende, who was once upon a time ACP of police, and he arrested the notorious criminal Charles Shobraj. Now in this movie, Charles Shobraj has been renamed as Karl Bhojraj. वो तिहाड़ जेल से भाग गया है and now it's up to Inspector Jende to arrest him once again. Why once again? Because this movie is set in 1986 and it has been shown that in 1971 it was Jende who captured Shobraj, yani ki Bhojraj, who was then only a thief and now he is a psychopath killer. और अभी भोजराज को गिरफ्तार करने के लिए Jende and his team has to travel to Goa and it's a secret mission. और क्या Jende capture कर पाएंगे? हाँ, he arrested Bhojraj but in a funny way, almost like the Pink Panther series. Bhojraj, who has already committed 32 murders, now it's up to Jende, as I said earlier. और शुरू होता है चोर पुलिस का गेम. Director Chinmay Mandlekar tries to tell a tale as it is instead of making it heroic. Not like the Rohit Shetty cop universe. It's vulnerable, yes. When you watch these police officers, you feel that they are human beings. So vulnerable. पर जब वो गोवा पहुंचते हैं, गोवा पुलिस has a different plan. गोवा पुलिस के सामने से क्या वो भोजराज को लेकर आ सकेंगे? Now talking about performances, Manoj Bajpayee has once again given a splendid performance. He balances the humor with the grit brilliantly. Apart from Manoj Bajpayee, Bhau Kadam as Patil and Harish Dudhare as Jacob, they have given believable performances. Patil is shown as a cop who gets scared, yes. On the other hand, Jacob, यानी कि हरीश दुधारे, उनको क्यों हंसी नहीं आती? For that you can even write a thesis paper. और Jim Serve as Charles Shobraj, यानी कि Karl Bhojraj, he has given a great performance as well. From Sachin Kherkar, Girija Oak and others, everybody have performed well. Actually, it's a fun movie to watch. Yes, there are scenes that shows violence too because police निकल पड़ी है पकड़ने को एक psychopath को. The movie is edited by Meghna Manchanda Sen and the DOP is Vishal Sinha. The music is composed by Sanket Sane. In fact, the BGM is a complete tribute to R.D. Burman. जी हाँ. And for example, there's a scene in a party. There's a fight that looks so funny that it may remind you of a dance sequence. Om Raut is one of the co-producers of this movie, and there's a scene when the cop company, they check in at a Goa hotel. They give false information and Bhau Kadam tells his name as Rishi Kapoor, and when everybody gets surprised, he changes it to Rishi Karu, while Manoj Bajpayee gives his name as Om Raut. And when we see Jende's wife borrowing a blazer from her neighbor just for her husband, that is also very, very humane. So this was my take on the movie Inspector Jende. After watching it, I have shared my experience with you all. Hope you have liked it.
Then do like, share, subscribe my channel and also like and follow my Facebook page Judo's Dhamaka. I'll be back in the next episode with a new dose of entertainment, new dose of Dhamaka. Hasta la vista, Judo's Dhamaka.
Let's do the Dhamaka.